Hey everyone, it's Andy with the Zoology Zone Science Center. Wanted to take you guys along on a rescue, and this isn't a normal rescue. We are heading down to McDowell County, or as those in the area call it, McDowell. So we're going down to McDowell County to investigate a possible alligator sighting in a pond on somebody's property. Unfortunately, this is not the first time that we have had a report of an alligator down in McDowell County. As many of you know, I have done a couple interviews regarding a case where an alligator was found in Anawalt Lake down in McDowell County a couple weeks ago. Unfortunately, the alligator was found and subsequently killed before I could get down there and try to help. So we got a report of this a couple days ago, so we've been coordinating with local authorities to try to see if we could find a boat and make sure that we had a firm confirmation before we went down to check it out. So we are on our way down right now. I'm about an hour and a half away. McDowell County is at the very bottom of West Virginia, right on the Virginia border. It's beautiful down there. And this alligator has been reported to be kind of hanging out and found a spot that it likes to hang out in this pond. So we are going to see if it indeed is an alligator and see if we can help it out. That's the goal of today, is to find this animal, and of course we're going to take you along with us on this ride. So we're about an hour and a half away. So we'll keep you posted. There will be some fun. Footage, I'm sure. I have a very strong feeling that I'm going to be jumping in a pond to try to get this thing. So let's hope that the reports of it being small are true, and it's not a 7-foot very angry alligator whenever I get down there. I mean, we're still going to jump on it, but it might be painful. Wish me luck.
This is the true definition of kiss your butt turns.
So we saw some really big snapping turtles in the pond, and it's on the opposite end of the pond. Sheriff's Department is working on finding a boat right now to get us over there, but I was trying to find a way to get around to the other side of the pond, which is more like a lake, and the only way to do that is up that mountain all the way to the top and then back down, and then I just crossed right there. So now this is the other side of the mountain. So we're heading up there. Here we go. Well, we made it to the other side, and I think we figured it out. These are one, two, three, maybe four giant snapping turtles. Giant. Take a look at this. So as you can see, they have really long tails, and when they swim in the water, their nose sticks out just like an alligator would. You don't see the eyes like a normal alligator that you've seen swimming, but you'll see their head kind of poking up. A little bit of their shell is kind of above water, and then they've got that really long tail. So
just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
So it's a very easy mistake to make, that you think you saw an alligator in a pond, especially in the same county where one was found maybe 5 miles from here and ultimately killed. So I'm happy. I don't think this is a wasted trip. I'm very happy that we were able to find what people were seeing, and to be able to kind of give a peace of mind to the community that there's not another alligator on the loose. I know behind us here, this is a beautiful lake. Behind us, a lot of people go fishing back here. Kids go swim in this lake or pond or whatever it is. And you know, I know that there was a little bit of apprehension there, so I'm very happy that we were able to see what it is. Obviously, snapping turtles are no joke. Please do not approach them. They hurt when you get bit. Trust me on that one. It is not fun in the least, especially these big giant guys right here. See if we can zoom in. Hello! There she is. So that's one of them. I got a better picture here a little bit ago, but that's one of the big snapping turtles that you see right there. See their head kind of pokes up. Oh, she just went underwater there, but yeah, they really do look prehistoric, so they're pretty neat animals. But she'll poke back up here in a minute. But they have a very, very long tail, as you guys can see in one of the pictures. I don't know if that is a stick or no, that's another one. Yep, there's another one right there. So there's two right in that main area. I would imagine these are big females. There's a marshy area, as you can see over here. So that's where they would lay their eggs, and especially over here on the bank where I'm at right now. So as for me, it took about 40 minutes to get over to the other side. So I am on this side, and I need to get back over there. And the only way to do that, up this mountain, around this mountain, all the way over there, and back down, and then finally I'm parked over there. So this is Andy McKee with the Zoology Zone Science Center. We found some turtles. Wish me luck.
Hello, little Apheloria virginiensis.
Almost halfway. Oh, I about died. We made it over to the top side of the other side of the lake, to the mountain. I found my trail that I made, and now we're on our way down. But we're finding all kinds of really cool stuff. So like all of these rock slides, there's got to be something in there, right? So we're gonna look. We're almost down the hill. My GoPro died, but hey, listen, you may know what these are. So obviously it's structure pillars. There's one there, and then there's one there. I'm in McDowell County, and I'm wondering if that was an old like coal mine chute or something like that. So they're all in line with each other. One's back there, and then the other two are down there, and it ends up going down the pond. So if you know, leave a comment. That's pretty cool. Check out the native rhododendron plants. It's pretty cool. These are huge. Look at that. Well, we didn't find any alligators. We did find some really, really big, that's not on my nose. We found some really big snapping turtles that I think is what people were seeing. So nothing to bring back. We brought the tub just in case. We left the snappers alone. They're part of our natural ecosystem, so they're doing their thing, and they're living very well. They're very old, lots of moss on them, so they're living good. But what we did find, we found a really cool rock, right? Look at that. That's a cool rock that has a hole in it. We found coal. And we found a really cool horseshoe, right? I know nothing about horseshoes. I hope it's really old. It looks really old, but it was in the middle of nowhere, and it was pretty cool. So if you know anything about horseshoes, let me know if it's anything cool or if it's just a horseshoe. We're gonna head home. We'll see you next time.